Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about arithmetic sequence. Under the topic arithmetic sequence, we are going to discuss about what an arithmetic sequence is, what's a common difference, and how to get the common difference of an arithmetic sequence. To better understand our topic, let's have a story problem. Okay, nakikita nyo ba yung bus na nandito sa ating screen? Ito yung sikat na Saulog Transit. Saulog Transit Incorporated is one of the many bus transportation companies in the Philippines servicing routes between Cavite and Metro Manila, Olongapo or Baguio City. So sa Cavite lang siya napapadaan kadalasan sa Aguinaldo Highway. One day, on its way back to its terminal at Mendez via Aguinaldo Highway, one passenger went down at SM City Bacoor. Then another 4 passengers went down to Robinson's Place, Imus. 7 passengers went down to Robinson's Place, Palapala. And then 10 passengers went down to Lourdes Church at Tagaytay. Notice the numbers indicated in our short story problem. So there's 1, 4, 7, and 10. This refers to the passengers that went down on the different streets in Cavite. 1, 4, 7, 10 is an example of an arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence where every term after the first is obtained by adding a constant. Constant may be positive or negative numbers. Okay, 1, 4, 7, 10 is an example of an arithmetic sequence. Na sinabi kanina sa definition ng arithmetic sequence, there is a constant number that is being added or subtracted from the preceding term. Okay, so tingnan natin yung 1, 4, 7, 10. Okay, yung 1, paano siya naging 4? Dinagdagan siya ng 3. Yung 4 naman, paano naging 7 yan? Dinagdagan din siya ng 3. At yung 7, paano siya naging 10? Dinagdagan niya ng 3. Ang tawag sa 3 na yan ay common difference. Positive 3 is called the common difference. Kapag nag-subtract ka ng two succeeding terms, yung dalawang magkasunod na number, okay, at meron kang nakuhang pare-parehong sagot, pare-parehong difference, common difference, then that is an example, yung sequence na nakita mo is an example of an arithmetic sequence. So, halimbawa natin doon is 4 minus 1, ang sagot doon ay 3. 7 minus 4, ang sagot doon ay 3. 10 minus 7, ang sagot doon ay 3. Meron tayong common difference. Now, kapag merong common difference, ang tawag dito sa sequence na 1, 4, 7, 10 is an arithmetic sequence. So, merong connection si arithmetic sequence at si common difference. And what is that? Kapag ang sequence ay may common difference, then tinatawag natin yung arithmetic sequence. And by definition, ang arithmetic sequence is a sequence with a common difference. So, connected yung dalawa. Pag may common difference, at arithmetic sequence yan. Okay, check natin. Is this an arithmetic sequence? You have 7, 10, 13, 16, 19. So, paano natin kukunin or i-check kung merong arithmetic sequence? We have to subtract two consecutive terms. 10 minus 7 is positive 3. 13 minus 10 is positive 3. 16 minus 13 is positive 3. 19 minus 16 is positive 3. So, meron na naman tayong pare-pareho, common na difference. So, the common difference here is positive 3. Now, ang tanong, yung unang tanong natin kanina sa taas, is this an arithmetic sequence? The answer is yes. And bakit? Kasi merong common difference. And what is the common difference? The common difference is positive 3. Okay, so next natin is 41, 39, 37, 35, 33. So tingnan yung mabuti yung mga numbers. So pababa siya. Ibig sabihin, lumiliit yung numbers. So question muna natin, is this an arithmetic sequence? Tingnan natin. Let's find out. Una nating hanapin yung kanyang common difference. So 39 minus 41 is negative 2. 37 minus 39 is negative 2. 35 minus 37 is negative 2. 33 minus 35 is negative 2. Is there a common difference? Yes, the common difference is negative 2. So remember, kapag may common difference, it's an arithmetic sequence. So ang sagot natin dun sa unang question sa taas, kung arithmetic sequence ba ang 41, 39, 37, 35, and 33, the answer is yes. It's an arithmetic sequence. Bakit? Because there is a common difference of negative 2. Next question natin. Is this an arithmetic sequence? Yung 20, 16, 12, 8, and 4? Okay, paano natin malalaman? Okay, tingnan natin if may common difference. So, pag tiningnan nyo, pababa na naman yung numbers dito. So, remember sa arithmetic sequence, pwede siyang pataas, pwede ring pababa yung numbers. So, tingnan natin. So, mag-subtract tayo ng consecutive terms. So, 16 minus 20 ay negative 4. 12 minus 16 is negative 4. 8 minus 12 is negative 4. 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Pare-pareho na naman yung number na lumabas. There is a common difference of negative 4. So, dahil pare-pareho yan, may common difference. And that means yung 20, 16, 12, 8, and 4 natin ay isang arithmetic sequence. It's an example of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, next set tayo, or next sequence. 40, 30, 20, 11, 9. Is that an arithmetic sequence? Okay, let's check. Check natin. Let's subtract the two consecutive terms. So, 30 minus 40, negative 10. 20 minus 30, that's negative 10. 11 minus 20, that's negative 9. 9 minus 11 ay negative 2. Is there a common difference? Magkakapareho ba yung answer nung sinubtract natin yung mga consecutive terms? The answer is no. So, ibig sabihin, this is not an arithmetic sequence. Yung 40, 30, 20, 11, and 9 is not an arithmetic sequence. Bakit? There is no common difference. Okay, next question. Is this an arithmetic sequence? So, you have 12, 18, 20, 26, 30. So, tingnan nyo mabuti, the number is increasing. Okay, dumadagdag. Ngayon, tingnan natin kung arithmetic sequence ba siya. Okay, by subtracting two consecutive terms. 18 minus 12 is positive 6. 20 minus 18 is positive 2. 26 minus 20 is positive 6. 30 minus 26 is positive 4. Meron bang common difference? So, pag tiningnan mo na, iba-iba naman yung kanyang difference eh. So, there's no common difference. Okay, tanong dito sa baba, is there a common difference? No. So, ano ibig sabihin nun kay 12, 18, 20, 26, and 30? So, ibig sabihin, this is not an arithmetic sequence. Okay, let's have an example. Identify if the sequence is an arithmetic sequence or not. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga 10 seconds to answer. Let's begin. Is this an arithmetic sequence or not? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Yes, this is an arithmetic sequence. And the common difference here is 8. So, paano yun? 16 minus 8 is 8. 24 minus 16 is 8. 32 minus 24 is 8. 40 minus 32 is 8. 48 minus 40 is 8. So, this is an arithmetic sequence. Number 2. Is this an arithmetic sequence or not? 19, 25, 31, 37, 43, 49. The answer is yes. This is an arithmetic sequence. And yung kanyang common difference is positive 6. So, paano siya nakuha? 25 minus 19, 31 minus 25, 37 minus 31, 43 minus 37, 49 minus 43. Is this an arithmetic sequence or not? 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. The answer is no. This is not an arithmetic sequence. Pag sinubtract mo yung mga consecutive terms, iba-iba yung difference na lalabas. Is this an arithmetic sequence or not? Okay, the answer is no. This is not an arithmetic sequence. So, isubtract mo lang yung mga consecutive terms, magkakaiba na yung sagot dito. So, there's no common difference. This is not an arithmetic sequence. Is this an arithmetic sequence? No, this is not an arithmetic sequence. So, pag tiningnan mo, biglang laki yung number. So, obviously, pag sinubtract mo yan, okay, walang common difference na makikita. Sana may natutunan sa ating short video. Thanks for watching!